Top home remedies for stomach ulcer. Stomach ulcers are also known as peptic ulcers and gastric ulcers. These are painful sores that surface on the lining of the stomach. They may affect your stomach and the small intestine. They not only cause pain but also make eating a miserable experience. It is important to treat these sores immediately to prevent them from becoming chronic or avoid complications. Baking soda and apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar and baking soda is used in treating ulcer due to its pain-relieving properties. Mix 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of warm water. Add some honey to this mixture and drink once the fizz settles down. Honey. Honey contains an enzyme called glucose oxidase. This enzyme is known to produce hydrogen peroxide. This may help fight the bacteria responsible for causing peptic ulcers. Add a tablespoon of honey to a glass of warm water. Mix well and add a pinch of cinnamon to it. Drink the mixture. Garlic. Garlic contains a compound called allicin. This compound possesses powerful antimicrobial properties. Add a few cloves of crushed raw garlic to salads and dishes. You can also chew on few garlic cloves. Ginger. Ginger exhibits protective and preventive effect on stomach ulcers and reduce their severity. Hence, ginger may help in treating symptoms that develop due to stomach ulcers. Add a teaspoon of grated ginger to a cup of water. Bring it to a boil in a saucepan. Simmer for 5 minutes and strain. After the tea cools down a little, add some honey to it and drink immediately. Turmeric. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which exhibits powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant activities. This may help prevent and treat stomach ulcers. Add a teaspoon of turmeric powder to a glass of warm water. Mix well and add some honey to it. Consume the mixture.